Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I am talking kind of low because I think everyone is still sleeping. No, I don't think. I know it is about to be 10. We had a long, busy week and we do deserve to sleep in, but for some reason, I just couldn't. Going to make me some coffee and then I'm gonna finish the movie I was watching last night and let's go about our day. So I guess it's just me and Riley again today. She's watching her SpongeBob while I do some word search, and I don't know if it is time or not, but I am gonna keep looking out for Oreo because she might be in labor. I don't know. I may be being dramatic. Sorry, not dreaming. Yeah, just she's constantly eating. She's eating more and more, which is really good because beginning of her pregnancy, she didn't eat much. She just stayed under the couch, and sorry, my lips are really glossy, but anyway, ignore that. So yes, she is constantly eating. She's pasting back and forth. She keeps licking her area down there. And what else? I think she's nesting. She's trying to find a place to give birth. And for us, we need to keep clothes off the floor, especially if she's going to give birth, because I've heard when they give birth on whatever, you have to throw it away because there's no way it's going to come out. Whatever stuff comes out of her, it's not going to come out of your blankets or clothes or whatever. But if she does do it on a blanket, at least hopefully an old blanket she could use. I need to put an old blanket in our closet so she doesn't have babies on my bags. Sorry, I've been talking for quite a while, but I'll keep you guys updated on what happens. So yeah. You weirdo. She's a weirdo. Stop. You're gonna scare everyone. You're gonna choke. We are watching TV, and Riley is being a dude, or not dude, a weirdo. Sorry. So quick update on the cat. She is not doing what she was doing. She is just walking around. She's been sleeping all day. She just got done eating. She had some water. Both cats are just walking around. They've been sleeping all day, I should say. But the pregnant cat, I've been not catching up. I've been checking up on her every 30-40 minutes just to make sure. And there's no changes. She's just being herself, just walking around. So no kittens yet, or no signs of labor. She is due any minute, so I'll keep you guys updated like I have been. So we're over here at the gas station getting gas, and we just left Ty's auntie's house because we went to go eat there. So, bonus, I didn't have to cook. And after this, we are heading to Walmart to get food. He's finally cleaning these windows after I don't know how long. Just kidding. We didn't have the time and he was busy today, so he's finally cleaning them. A bunch of bugs and bird stuff. You know, stuff I mean. And, yep. Just here at the gas station, we're waiting. That's about it. The light was on. Hold on, I'll go out there in a bit. Hold on, give me a minute. So I am walking down the hallway. This is Riley making a mess. She was eating her nuggets and her room's a mess. I know. And yeah, you can't even see you. Hold on, give me a minute. Well, he's watching his game, playing the guitar, and his new toy.
We help you live it. Make the dream yours.
Yep, his new toy. Okay guys, I'll be closing out the vlog right here. Good night. It is 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm finally going to bed, thank God. So don't forget to subscribe and share and like and comment, and I'll have more videos for you guys soon. Also, thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and let me know how I did. Thank you. Good night.